Hi, welcome to my channel Takniki Gyan Guru. Today we will understand what is palindrome in C. So let's understand what is palindrome. Palindrome is a word, phrase, number or other sequence of characters that reads the same forward and backward. Means if you have a sentence or any word, if you read from start to end or end to start, the it will be the same, right? So that is called palindrome. So how we can write a code to check the word or sentences giving sentence is palindrome or not. So first of all, let's understand, right? So for example, Joe, right? The Joe is palindrome or not? Or madam is palindrome or not? So let's move to let's see. J, I'm writing the Joe, right? J O in the left to right, right? J O E. So, and if you see the right to left, right? E O J. So that is not, matching the same number. Like if you see the last number and the first number is also not matching. That means this is not a palindrome word, right? So this is not. Let's move to another, like madam, right? Is palindrome. Let's check how to write. So let's write left to right, right? M A D A M. So means if when I'm writing M A D A M, right? M, if I read from left right to left, M A D A M, same similar, right? If I'm reading from left to right or right to left, it is looking like a same digit. So how we can write this into C, right? So let's check how we'll do that. So first of all, if you see the first digit is M, last digit is also M. If these two digits are matched, right, the first digit and last digit, then we will move forward. That means it may be this word may be a palindrome because the first and last digit is matching. So it will move to the next. Then we'll go to the first plus one digit, that is A, and last minus one digit, that is also A, right? It means the first plus one and last minus one is also matched, right? That means it is still a palindrome. If here, if the first and last doesn't match, or first plus one or last minus one is also not matched, that means this is not palindrome, right? But still it is palindrome because the first and last is also matching, and first plus one and last plus one is also matching. Next, it will move to the next, and we'll see the first plus 2 is also matching, and last minus 2 also matching. That means this is matching. That means the both matched from both end, hence it is called palindrome. Means both side is matching, right? Left to right and right to left is matched. That means this is palindrome. So madam word is palindrome, right? So demo. So we are in VS Code now. I have already read the code. Let's understand, right? So I just created. I have already shown you how to configure C++ in VS Code. So if you want, you can go and watch. So we have added three libraries: stdio.h, string.h, and stdbool.h, right? So here I created one function called isPalindrome. It will check the string we sent to this function is palindrome or not. It will return only true and false, right? So we pass this string here, const char star str pointer str. So first of all, we will get the length of the string, whatever it is passed. So str length function will use to get the length, and will define to two int variable I and j, right? So how will check, we will have some for loop where we will initialize the int I and j. I will start from 0 and j will start from length minus 1. Means if for example, if I'm having character word called MEDAM, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 means 0 to 4, right? 4 digits. 0 to 4 means 5 digit. 0 to 4. Now I will start 0 and j will start from 4, right? And I should always be less than j. If I equals to j or I is more than j, then this loop will break, right? And I will increase I1 first 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, and j will move, 4, 3, 2, 1, right, wherever it is there. So then we'll match if stri means first digit and last digit. If doesn't match, then it will return false. That means it is not palindrome. If it is matched, then it will, then it will. If it is matched, then it will move to the next until the character is, loop is done, right? Until the length is done. So let's, for example, let's say I. Right, so it will move like this: I is 0, j, it will match. If it is matched, then it will move to the next character. Then I1 j3 is same a, and I2 j2 3. So I should always be less than j, right? Then d is also matched, and it will move to the next, and then it will be true, right? Once the for loop is done, then it will be returned true. That means if we are passing some palindrome, it will return true. If the character doesn't match in the loop, then it will return the false. Correct? Understood this one? If somebody doesn't understood, just let me know. So we are calling, just we are defining one variable char input 100, so means 100 characters. We are just getting the value from the user, enter a string. We are getting input value, and we are checking if the function name, we have defined the function palindrome, and we are passing this input here. And it will check, our function will check and return true or false. If it is true, then printf the word is palindrome, the input, right? Input is palindrome, otherwise input is not palindrome. So let's run this and check. Now it is asking for a string. Let's say radar. Radar is palindrome. radar or radar, right? Let's give some other number, something else. Let's say Mohan. And Mohan is not a palindrome. Here we have shown you how to code the palindrome. So if you have any questions, queries, just comment me. I'll definitely get back to you. Let's move to the slides. So this bring end to this video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, or comment. If you need any help or any topic you want to discuss, we'll come back and discuss on your own topic. Till then, thank you so much. Take care and bye.